In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer in CapCut PC. If you want to place a running time tracker, a live digital stopwatch, or a progress-style clock directly on top of your video, CapCut actually makes this very simple. The good news is that you do not need to build the timer manually or install anything extra. CapCut includes animated digital clock elements right inside its built-in library, so the whole process only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. To begin, move your cursor to the top left area of the CapCut interface, where the main menu tabs are located. Click on the Media tab and then open the Library section. This is where CapCut stores a variety of built-in assets that you can add directly to your project. If you have not used the library before, think of it as a collection of ready-made visual elements that can be dropped straight onto the timeline. Once the library is open, look over to the Asset Directory column on the far left side of the panel. You'll see different categories and labels listed there. Scroll down through that column to browse the available sections and help narrow your search. This is the area that helps you navigate through CapCut's internal content more efficiently. After that, start scrolling through the layout cards until you find a timer design you like. You may see different styles, including clean digital stopwatches, running counters, or other clock-style overlays. Take a moment to choose one that fits the look of your video. For example, a simple digital timer often works best if you want something easy to read, while a more stylized clock may suit a creative or dramatic edit. When you find the timer thumbnail you want, click the blue plus icon in the bottom corner of that card. As soon as you do that, CapCut will automatically place the animated timer onto your timeline as an overlay on an upper track, usually above your main video layer. This means the timer will float over your footage and remain visible as part of the final composition. At that point, the timer has been added and is ready to use in your project. If needed, you can visually check your timeline to confirm that the overlay appears above your background footage, which is exactly where it should be for this type of effect. And that's it. You've successfully used CapCut's built-in library to add a timer overlay to your video in just a few quick clicks.